Ooh. Yes.
What's going on here? Get out of here! I'm not scared. Go to shot.
At 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service in Brookhaven, Ohio has issued a nuclear explosion,
Go.
and that will kill millions of people. It would start with a tanker truck carrying millions of gallons of gasoline, and it's gonna lose control and gonna crash into a railroad crossing sign or something.
That hurts.
And then the train is gonna crash into the truck, and it will cause a massive explosion.
Who do you think
And
you
it may
are,
cause the end
Buster?
of the world. I don't know. Also, please get to a shelter immediately. And stay tuned for more weather updates.
Next time I get you.
Hey, stupid! Have a rotten day! Oh no!